Here is my inspiration for this video. I found this geometric wall decor on Wayfair and it retails for $316 for both panels. This DIY, I will be taking 4 of the Tumbling Tower block games and I will be gluing 3 blocks at the bottom, 4 blocks high. For my second frames, I am doing 2 at the bottom, 5 blocks high, and I'm going to close that out for a 2x5 frame. And I've created 4 4x3 frames and 2 2x5 frames. Here I'm just showing you guys how I will be gluing my frames together. I have these mini mirror tiles that I got off of Amazon. I will put the link down below, and I'll only be putting mirror tiles on my top frames. For my bottom frames, I will be using this 4-row rhinestone mesh that I've got from Hobby Lobby, and I will also link that in the description box below. Now I would take some strong adhesive and I will be gluing down a square 5-inch mirror. Once that mirror is set, I am going to flip it over and add these wired LED lights to the back of my mirror. Here is a final look of my version of the Aerin Wall Decor. I would like to know, what do you think about the final look? Leave me a comment down below what materials you would have used to decorate these panels. I created both of these for less than $50. So for my second DIY, I will be taking 2 of the Tumbling Tower blocks and I will be gluing those together. And here, as you see, I am now going to take 1 block and I will be creating a 2x1 little frame. Now I'll be adding another layer on top. And this is going to be the base of my vase. I will also be creating one for the top of my vase. Here is what that double layer bottom looks like. Created 8 of the 2x1 rectangles, and I created 2 of the double layer 2x1 rectangles. Now I'll be taking 2 of the tower games to use them, measure out the space that I will be creating in between each layer of my vase. And that's what it should look like. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.